In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Trello. Whether you're new to using Trello or need a quick refresher, this guide will make things super simple. So, let's dive in. First, we need to navigate to Trello's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in trello.com. Once the website loads, you'll see the option to either log in or create a new account. If you already have an account, feel free to log in. But since our main focus is account creation, you have two primary options for signing up. Creating an account using your email or using your Google account, which makes things even more seamless if you already have a Google profile set up. For this tutorial, let's choose Continue with Google. After choosing the Google sign-in option, you'll be prompted to select one of the email accounts already associated with your Google sign-in. Choose the email you wish to use for your Trello account. This step is crucial if you're in the Google ecosystem already, as it simplifies sign-in in the future and syncs your work more effortlessly. Next, you'll see a button labeled Create Your Account. Click on this and it will take you to the next page. Here, Trello might ask you to confirm a few basic details, such as your display name, and maybe a few preferences related to how you intend to use Trello. These details help personalize your Trello experience. Once your account is created, head back to trello.com. You're almost ready to start organizing your life and projects. Click on Login to enter your new account. You might see a prompt asking you to confirm your login, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. This is just to ensure security, so click the necessary options to move forward. With your account all ready, you'll be presented with some setup choices. This is the part where you can personalize your experience further by selecting options that best fit your project management needs. Once you choose your preferences, click on Continue. If there's an introductory prompt or a tutorial pop-up, simply click the X at the top to close it. And now you'll want to start exploring the heart of Trello, your first board. Click Go to your first board, and you'll be taken directly there. Trello often offers a brief walkthrough of how its boards work. Click Next to go through each step if you're interested, or choose Done if you're ready to dive right in and get hands-on. And that's it. You've successfully created a Trello account and are all set to explore its features. Whether you're planning a project solo or working with a team, Trello is a powerful tool to help keep everything on track. Enjoy your new productivity partner.